In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use epics and labels in Jira. We're going to walk through the basic process of creating an epic first, and then adding a label to a work item so your project stays organized and easier to manage. Epics are useful for grouping related tasks under one larger initiative, while labels help you tag issues with keywords that make filtering and tracking much simpler. To get started, open your Jira project and click on Create. This opens the issue creation window, where you can choose what kind of item you want to add. Since we're creating a larger parent item to organize related work, click on the work type field. From the dropdown, select Epic. This tells Jira that the item you're creating is not just a regular task or story, but a higher level piece of work that can represent a feature, goal, or major deliverable. Choosing the correct work type here is important because it affects how the issue will be used later in planning and reporting. Next, enter the summary. The summary should be short but clear because this is the title people will see throughout the project. Try to make it descriptive enough that anyone on the team can quickly understand what the epic is about. After that, enter the description. This is where you can add more context, such as the purpose of the epic, what it covers, and any important details your team should know. A well-written description helps everyone stay aligned and reduces confusion later on. Once those fields are filled in, click Create Again to save the epic. At this point, the new epic is added to your Jira project and can be used to organize related issues. Now that the epic has been created, the next part is adding a label to a work item. To do that, click on List to switch to the list view of your project. This view makes it easier to browse and select individual issues. Then, select the work item you want to update. When the issue details open, find the Labels field. In that field, enter the label name you want to use. Labels are usually short, simple tags that help categorize work. For example, teams often use labels for priorities, departments, feature areas, or release groups. Keeping labels consistent is a good habit because it makes searching and filtering much more effective. And that's it. You've created an epic and added a label in Jira. Using these two features together can make your project much more structured, especially as your backlog grows.